Today I'm doing a cat makeup transformation. Half my face is going to be a cat, the other half is going to be a cat's skull. I'm using my Mehron paint palette, Pros-Aide prosthetic glue, Elmer's glue, and cardstock paper for today's look. So I've painted the eye. When I close my eyes, which I'll do at the end, the eye shifts a little bit, so I painted it a little farther that way, so when I close it, it goes inwards a little bit more. So I've blocked out the general shape of the face, and then using details it'll really make that pop, and then I'm going to do the same for the other half of the face where the skull is going to be. So I've started blocking out the shape of the skull. Of course, cat skulls do not have ears, so this side does not have an ear for those wondering. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I got the idea to take a picture of that side of my face and then print it out and pull it away, and I think that came out really cool. I'm also super overwhelmed and excited to be able to share my art in a tangible way, something that people can have. So be sure to check it out, joesteele.co. There's going to be a link below. Thank you again. It really is a meaningful endeavor for me, and I'm going to be adding new designs, so be sure to check back in. I'll see you next time.
Bye.